Hello, and welcome to the Earth Rangers podcast. I'm Earth Ranger Emma.
Earth Rangers! Earth Rangers! Earth Rangers!
All in all, there are 17 species of penguins, and they can only be found in the southern hemisphere, around the South Pole. That means even though they share similar taste when it comes to climate, penguins and polar bears literally live on opposite ends of the world from each other. Which is funny, because that kind of brings me to our next segment.
Animal Investigation Squad. Animal Investigation Squad.
All right, so a couple of weeks back, we got this phone call here at the Earth Rangers headquarters. Let me see. Yes, here. Okay.
Hi, this is Earth Ranger Lauren. I was wondering if you could tell me why a polar bear has white fur.
I'm going to have to call an expert.
Hello?
Oh, hi, this is Earth Ranger Emma.
Oh, hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm pretty good. Also pretty curious. I'm talking to real-life polar bear scientist Alicia McCall from Polar Bears International. Have you ever gotten really close to one?
I have. So I researched polar bears for many years, and part of that research involved actually tranquilizing a polar bear so it sleeps for a short period of time, and you get hands-on with it, and you measure it and take samples, and that helps us understand polar bears a lot better. So I've gotten to do that quite a few times, and it's always really exciting.
Oh, that sounds amazing. A little bit scary, but amazing. Have you ever gotten to get a bear hug from a polar bear?
Well, we don't actually hug them, but I've definitely had to, lift up cubs and move them and things like that. So not a real hug, but I've definitely gotten close. So, Emma, did you have a science question about polar bears?
Yes. If a polar bear has black skin and clear hair, why do they look white?
That is a super good question. Polar bear hair is really special. So, like you said, it's clear. It doesn't have any pigment. And so why do they look white? Well, when sun hits that hair, it reflects and scatters all the sunlight. And our eyes pick that up as being white, which is pretty cool. That's like what happens with ice and snow. Polar bears also have a keratin protein in their fur, which is slightly white. And so all of these things make the polar bear look white to us. And polar bears look the whitest when it's really bright outside with a lot of sunlight and when they're clean, because sometimes they can look different colors. So when the sun is setting or rising and the sky is pink and yellow, polar bear hair actually picks up those colors. And so I've seen polar bears that look pink or orange. It's pretty cool. And the polar bears around Churchill, for example, in the summer that have spent a long time on land can even look kind of brown after they've been hanging out in the dirt for a few months. But once polar bears get back on the sea ice and can rub in some snow and maybe even go swimming, they clean right up and they look like the white polar bear that we know and love again.
Oh, that is so cool. Well, thank you for answering my question. Thank you so much.
They're a pretty special animal.
Yeah.
Glad I could help.
All right, bye. All right, Earth Rangers. Thanks for listening, and keep on ranging.